In today's rapidly evolving world, mechanical giants have become essential in timber harvesting, transforming wood cutting and processing with remarkable speed and efficiency. These technological marvels have revolutionized labor efficiency, marking a major leap in the forestry industry. Don't miss the chance to see these powerful machines in action. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting journey. These machines are towering symbols of efficiency and innovation, reshaping modern forestry. The Raptor 800 Advanced Tree Clearer, boasting an impressive 800 horsepower engine, handles areas up to 3 meters wide, quickly clearing large vegetation areas. Its efficiency and time-saving capabilities make it invaluable in land management, optimizing productivity and enhancing work efficiency for large-scale projects. Our journey begins in the breathtaking winter landscape of Sweden, where the Hyper 755 tractor and Hyper Death 45 felling equipment conquer all challenges with unparalleled precision. With an astonishing productivity rate of 100 trees per hour, the Hyper 755 is not just a powerful tractor but a symbol of efficiency and innovation in forestry. Witness these machines in action and marvel at their superior capabilities. Amidst towering trees, the TMAC 300 chainsaw machine reigns supreme. With an engine that roars like a beast, it slices through the forest at an astonishing rate of 75 cuts per second. This isn't just a machine. It's a force of nature revolutionizing timber harvesting. Subscribe now to see this powerhouse in action. Introducing the Holtz Form G888 chainsaw, a marvel of engineering with a powerful 122.2cc engine and 8.6 horsepower. This chainsaw delivers outstanding cutting performance with a maximum chain speed of 13,500 revolutions per minute. Designed for optimal efficiency and precision, it sets a new standard in wood cutting capabilities. The revolutionary temporary cutting machine, with its agility and speed, has made history in the forestry sector. Its cutting-edge technology not only boosts productivity, but also paves the way for more efficient wood exploitation. This machine exemplifies the future of forestry, transforming what was once a labor-intensive task into a streamlined process. Subscribe now to see this groundbreaking technology in action. The Tiger Cat 724G logging machine is a game-changer in the forestry industry, boasting a maximum cutting capacity of 30 inches in diameter. It ensures quick, precise, and accurate cuts, setting a new benchmark in timber harvesting. This machine redefines efficiency and productivity, making it an indispensable tool for modern forestry operations. In Finland's dense forests, the TKM 300 stands as a giant among giants. With a 300 horsepower engine, it effortlessly carves through towering trees, showcasing cutting-edge technology and precision control. This powerhouse exemplifies modern engineering. Subscribe to see its incredible capabilities. Just 8 years ago, this machine set a new market standard with its ability to handle a large number of trees per hour. Its remarkable efficiency continues to inspire and motivate efforts to seek and apply innovative solutions, making forestry work more effective and sustainable. Experience the evolution of forestry technology and see how this machine continues to lead the way. The Tiger Cat LX 830D, featuring a formidable 320 horsepower engine, excels even in the harshest environments. Its robust design guarantees unparalleled efficiency and reliability in every operation. As an essential asset in timber harvesting, this machine showcases the pinnacle of engineering excellence, making light work of the toughest tasks. Transporting wood from the forest is a significant challenge, but with hyper-performance machines, this task becomes manageable. These advanced machines not only enhance productivity, but also minimize environmental impact by reducing the time and effort needed for tree felling. Join us to explore how technology is transforming forestry and promoting sustainability. The Steel 075 AB chainsaw, with its 111cc engine and 8 horsepower, effortlessly handles demanding forestry tasks. Its superior performance and delicate handling demonstrate how high technology and technique can enhance job quality in the forestry sector, making it an indispensable tool for professionals. Powered by Conrad Woody 42 technology, the Wacker Newson ED90 masters dense trunks with ease. This machine embodies the perfect blend of power and precision, making it a formidable force in forestry. Witness its incredible performance as it redefines timber processing standards. If this video has impressed you, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into innovations in the forestry industry. Remember, cutting trees involves high risks, and safety is paramount. Always be fully equipped before proceeding with any forestry tasks. Stay informed and stay safe with our channel's latest updates and safety tips. The John Deere 753J woodcutter and the Tigercat 870C feller buncher offer advanced tree felling and organizing solutions, optimizing workflow in forestry. Their superior capabilities highlight the efficiency and strength needed in modern forestry technology, making them indispensable tools for professionals. The T400, with its sharp mower and robust rack and pinion system, ensures smooth movement through snow-laden forests in Finland. Its 400 horsepower engine conquers the icy terrain, demonstrating unparalleled efficiency in felling large trees. Witness this machine's performance in the harshest conditions. The legendary Husqvarna 371 XP, with a 70.7cc engine, conquers massive hardwoods effortlessly, boasting 4.3 horsepower. It slices through tall oaks like a hot knife through butter, leaving a trail of meticulously cut wood. This chainsaw is a testament to exceptional engineering and efficiency. Roaring across the timber landscape, the Husqvarna 3120 XP is a true ally in the woods. As the ultimate companion of lumberjacks, its 118cc engine and 42-inch cutting bar tackle the largest logs with ease. Its relentless power and efficiency make it indispensable in forestry. The Steel 462 stands as the pinnacle of woodworking artistry. Its agile 20-inch bar and powerful 72.2cc engine navigate oak trunks with unmatched precision. Witness the combination of power and finesse that makes this chainsaw a true masterpiece in wood cutting. Meet the Steel MS 462cm chainsaw, a true powerhouse in wood cutting. Equipped with a 72.2cc engine and 6 horsepower, this chainsaw tackles the largest wood types with ease, boasting a cutting capacity of up to 25 inches. It stands as a testament to superior performance and efficiency, redefining what is possible in the realm of wood cutting. Introducing the Alltech Feller Harvester 277 and LogMax 7000 XT, state-of-the-art forestry machines designed for maximum efficiency. With the ability to cut trees up to 34 inches in diameter, they are revolutionizing forestry operations with their speed and precision. These machines redefine what is possible in the realm of timber harvesting. A compact saw with a sharp blade and intuitive operation can transform the forestry landscape. Have these moments captured your awe? Share your thoughts with us. Which machine left the biggest mark on you? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for the latest jaw-dropping videos. Thank you for watching. Your feedback helps us improve our future videos. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Many thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon.